Anyone who at a certain age is not married is commitment phobic. So who's not married at a certain age?
क्या आपको लगता है कि सलमान खान कभी शादी करेगा?
Oh, so it's a related answer to the inquiry I made before. Very clever. Did you hear the answer I just gave? Is that why you're asking me this question? So, where are we going with this relationship? That awkward question that we've all either been asked or had to answer. अक्सर ये सवाल का जवाब हमें disappoint कर देता है ना? पर क्यों? Well, because nowadays commitment isn't like it used to be. पहले के जनरेशन में तो लाइफ पार्टनर चुनने में चॉइस भी नहीं मिलता था. And look at the world today, literally shopping for people by swiping left and swiping right. But I guess it's like they say, right? When you have a choice, you make a noise. And that's why, according to me, people are growingly becoming commitment phobic. That's what's really happening around us. चाहे वो दिल चाहता है कि आकाश हो या फिर ए दिल है मुश्किल की सबा. Commitment phobia has existed in films for a long time and it's growing in Indian society as well. रोज नए नए terms develop होते हैं. No strings attached, friends with benefits and so many such terms. We'll talk about more such terms later in the show. But abhi ke liye, let's take a caller. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Hello. How are you? My
Hi,
name is Karan.
Hi, I'm good. How are you, Karan?
What is your name, my dear?
My name is Nimi.
Lily.
Nimi.
Millie.
N-I-M-M-I.
As in मैं मिली तू मिली? That way? Millie.
No, Nimi. N-I-M-M-I.
Nimmi.
Yeah, Nimmi.
Nimmi. I heard Millie. Achha, sorry. Nimmi. Lovely name.
Yes.
I love the name Nimmi. कैसी हो निम्मी? क्या हो रहा है निम्मी?
I'm okay, Karan, but I need some help.
हाँ बताइए.
Actually, so ever since I was in college, like मम्मी मुझे हमेशा बोलती थी कि तेरी शादी अरेंज ही होगी, तो ये लव शव के चक्कर में पड़ना मत. So I never really even fell in love वैसे, but now I reached a point where अभी my mom wants me to get married. So I've come to realize कि I'm not the kind of person who can commit to one person forever.
अच्छा okay.
And mainly क्योंकि मैं देख रही हूँ कि मेरे इतने फ्रेंड्स की शादी सब हुई है, and honestly they're all miserable.
Yeah, I know. Divorce is the new marriage.
Yeah, exactly. So it's like I don't want to commit to someone for the rest of my life. It's honestly very scary, but my mom just doesn't understand that, and honestly I'm quite afraid to even tell her. So
How old are you, Nimi?
I'm 25.
But have you got too cynical, too young?
I don't know, Karan. It's just that so many of my friends have got married. I have almost 4 or 5 people who got married, and none of them have been marriage is so great. First 6-7 months ठीक है, that is fine, but उसके बाद everyone is like यार तू lucky है तेरी शादी नहीं हुई अभी.
But Nimi, I've never met a single married couple that don't grumble about the fact that they're married or problems about each other. But eventually you try to ask them. Many of them, of course, have walked their separate ways because of various circumstances and reasons.
Right.
But many of them hold it together. Being married is not easy. It is difficult. It's a long-term commitment, and it requires two people to really invest in each other to make it work. But I don't think you should be this cynical, Nimi. And I don't think you should listen to your friends who have scarred you and damaged you for life. You have to have your own experience. Your experience could be yours and only yours alone. You don't have to kind of depend on other people's lives for you to make decisions about your own. You must open your head, and doesn't mean that it's an arranged setup. You must find love and never know what that love takes you to. Just tell your mother that I want to find somebody on my own. I don't want it to be a setup. I don't want it to be an arrangement. I want to find love on my own. Just say that.
That would be more comforting.
Just say that मुझे arrangement नहीं होगा ये arranged marriage मुझे suit नहीं करेगा. I don't want to be in a relationship with somebody that I was introduced to formally. I need to go out there, experience life, find love for myself, make my mistakes perhaps, and then overcome them. But you need to explain to her that you need to find it on your own. Many times, girls, boys like the fact that they are going to head towards arranged marriages because they feel it's a bad. I have nothing against that. I think if that's the decision you make, then you should go with it. But you are that type of girl, I think, who needs to find love on your own. So go ahead, fly. find your wings of love, and hopefully you land in the right place. Because in this way, you're never going to. And trust me, when you find that love, all this cynicism that you have about marriage now will all be out of the window.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay,
You
Karan,
just haven't
sounds
found
like
the
a
right
good
man
plan.
as yet, darling. When you do,
Right.
trust me, you will be in La La Land of love.
Okay, Karan, I'll
Okay.
definitely talk to mom and try to make her
Just tell her कि मैंने कहा था. Just say मेरी
Okay,
करण जौहर से
पक्का,
बात
yes.
से मैंने करण जौहर से बात की और करण जौहर ने रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि आप मुझे ये अलाउ करो कि मैं बाहर जाके प्रेम ढूंढूं,
Yes.
प्यार ढूंढूं, मोहब्बत ढूंढने की कोशिश करूं.
Yes, perfect,
ठीक है?
definitely. Thank you
All
so
right,
much,
Nimi.
Karan,
Much
for your
love.
help.
Much love. Lots of love. Bye.
Thank you, bye.
People have become so commitment phobic that a whole new vocabulary has developed around dating. Breadcrumbing, ghosting, mooning, benching, tuning, labby, exing, textationship, and friend. I can't keep up with this new millennial lingo anymore. But I do have a message from an actor who is a millennial.
क्या बोल रहे हो? करण जौहर इज गोइंग टू बी योर BFF. वो तुम लोग को एडवाइस देगा. अरे हमारा 3am फ्रेंड क्यों छीन रहे हो यार? अब he'll have no time for us. हमारा भी 3am फ्रेंड था, अब तुम्हारा भी हो गया. चलिए ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. बट आई एम वेरी जेलस यार, आप लोग को करण जौहर से एडवाइस मिलने वाली लव की. एक्चुअली करण, तू मुझे भी कुछ लव की एडवाइस देना. देगा? चल मैं तुझसे बाद में बात करूँ.
Trust Arjun to say something like that. Arjun is crazy, but a lesser known fact is Arjun has the most hysterical sense of humor. He's the best guy who can make you laugh. I mean, his messages sometimes are so hysterical that I have LOL moments all the time when he messages me. Notice I said LOL? So here is an interesting statistic. Marriage amongst people in their 30s has dropped 10% in the last decade. जबकि the percentage of people living together has risen by 13%. Commitment के बारे में जितनी भी बातें करें कम है. So let's keep the conversation going. Hello.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, sir.
Hello. How are you? क्या नाम है आपका? What's your name?
Sir, my name is Prabhar.
Prabhar.
Yes, sir.
Hi Prabhar. Where do you stay?
Sir, I reside in Kolkata, sir.
You're in Kolkata. Lovely city. Lovely.
Sir, how are
city.
you, sir?
I'm very good, Prabhar. What's up? What's happening in your life? क्या हो रहा है?
Sir, everything is fine. Just one छोटा सा एक issue है, sir.
हाँ बताइए.
It is that कि sir, I'm dating this girl for almost 4 years from now. And अभी sir, she wants me to move in with her.
Okay.
So the only problem is that sir, मेरे लिए मेरा space बहुत important है, and you know, I don't like sharing my room or my stuff or anything with anybody else. So you know, my girlfriend thinks that I might be seeing other girls, so she wants me to move in with her. और मुझे सर अभी move in करना नहीं है. So I don't know sir how to tell this, because अगर if I tell this to her, she might feel offended, और अगर मैं move in ना करूँ तो she might doubt my loyalty.
No, I don't. I think not doubting your loyalty. I think she's basically what she's trying to do. Prabhar is trying to check whether how serious are you about taking this relationship further. Because you said that you've been dating her for 4 years. So obviously a long-term commitment is also crossing her mind. Like she obviously is thinking of something like marriage. So she's not being able to say that to you. So this is her way of understanding that are you serious about this relationship and are you willing to give her a commitment in the future, which you are not giving clearly because you're not ready. But this is her way of testing that water, that she wants to take her relationship into a second stage. That's a lot of time men and women do that, you know, to understand what is the mindset of the relationship from the person that they are probably doubting in some way or the other. Now, you said that you don't like to share your space, your things, your time is critical to you, your personal space. But have you thought of marriage at all? Are you at all thinking of it, or you think that right now you're not ready?
Sir, right now at least I need some more time to, you know, get ready for marriage, because I just started on 2-3 years for corporate life. So
How old are you, Prabhar?
I'm 26.
You're 26. No, rightfully, of course, you're entitled to your space, your time, your own decision. But I think that's where she's coming from. You'll have to have a conversation, Prabhar, because and eventually you must also, what you can do, and my solution to this is, why don't you try tell her that let's not move in, but can't we spend like weekends together? You know, maybe because you're a part of a corporate existence, maybe you can take weekends, just say move in for the weekend. Try it out like that slowly, Prabhar. Don't go full on into it. Open up your house a little bit to an outside energy. Because otherwise क्या होगा कि लाइफ में बाद में अगर शादी भी करनी पड़ी जब whenever you decide to get married, उसके बाद it'll be a big shock to your system कि कोई नया आया है आपकी जिंदगी में, आपके घर में रह रहा है, part of your space, your bathroom, your washroom, your bedroom, your space time, your everything. तो why don't you start slowly? Try spending weekends. उसे बोल दो कि 1-2 महीने ये ट्राई करते हैं, फिर then we'll see ना.
Sure, sir. I'll
Okay.
keep that in mind and I'll take things ahead.
Okay, Prabhar, all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
All
so
right.
much. And sir, all the best for all your upcoming movies, sir.
Thank you, Prabhar. Thank you so much. All your wishes are always required. Thank you. All your calls have been so interesting and I've gained so much insight from all of you, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, even just preparing for today's show has taught me absolutely so much. It's time for the game that I play. So, well, the reverse rapid fire. तो शुभ काम में देरी क्या, शुरू हो जाइए.
Hi Karan, I'm Srishti from Mangalore. Have you ghosted someone in the past?
Have I ghosted someone? Yes.
Hi Karan, this is Pooja from Varanasi. Who is Bollywood's most commitment phobic person?
Who? Well, anyone who at a certain age is not married is commitment phobic. So, who's not married at a certain age? You figure that out.
हाय करण, दिस इज केशव फ्रॉम मुंबई. क्या आपको लगता है कि सलमान खान कभी शादी करेगा?
Oh, so it's a related answer to the inquiry I made before. Very clever. Did you hear the answer I just gave? Is that why you're asking me this question? Will Salman Khan ever get married? Well, the country loves him, so why should he give his love to just one person? Maybe not.
Hey Karan, this is Richa from Patna. My question is, which Bollywood couple rock at commitment?
Which Bollywood couple rock at commitment? Akshay and Tina.
Hi Karan, I'm Apeksha from Rajkot. So put these Bollywood films in order of best depiction of commitment phobia. Shuddh Desi Romance, Cocktail and Ye Jawani Hai Diwani.
Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, Cocktail, Shuddh Desi Romance. Alright, so the Love Bites hamper for the most wicked question goes to the one who asked me if Salman Khan should get married. Alright, it's time for me to bounce, but how can I shut up and bounce without sharing my current verdict? My current verdict is that, listen, if you're commitment phobic, that means you have many issues, not just to relationships, but in general. If you can't commit to one thing, that means you can't commit to many things. So I tell you, here are the things I think you need to do. I think you need to speak, to communicate. Why are you commitment phobic? What's your problem? Does it date back to your childhood? Are you having issues with your parents, siblings? Do you have some kind of self-worth problem? You have some issue that you've got to address. Because you can't commit to a strong relationship, then your issues are far deeper. So go figure that out, because commitment phobia is not just about that. It's about many other things. I want you to sort out your life. That's why I give you this advice. I hope you take it in the right spirit. Until then, lovers, continue doing the ishq, baby. I can't believe you want to be with a man who would actually want you to increase the length of your skirt. Whether you wear nothing or you wear a sari or you wear a short skirt, you cannot be judged for those choices, and nobody should be able to judge you. No man, no woman, no human being, not even your parent.
Call.